The Fine Art World site title is comprised of three items: the artist's first name, last name, and gallery title or tagline. The site title appears in several locations. On the artist's community site, the site title appears both at the top of the web browser and in the silver bar immediately below the yellow menu bar. On the artist's independent site, the site title appears at the top of the web browser and it appears in the artist header bar. Now we'll show you how to edit your site title. First, go to www.fineartworld.com and click the login link. Go ahead and put in your username and password, then click Login. This should take you directly to your control panel welcome page. Click the Site Management tab located above, then click the Site Title folder. Fine Art World will automatically take the first and last name you entered during your registration process. In this example, we'll change the artist's name, Jonathan D., to John Doe. Now let's say John Doe is a Southwest artist. We'll add Southwest Fine Art in the gallery title field. It's important to always click Save after any changes you make to your Fine Art World websites. Otherwise, the changes will not take place. Another good practice is to preview your changes after you click Save. You can do this by clicking the View Community Site link or View Independent Site link located in the upper right-hand corner of your control panel. Artist Basic members do not have a community site. Therefore, the View Community Site link will not appear in their control panel. Let's preview the community site. You'll notice that Jonathan D. has changed to John Doe. Let's go back to the control panel. You can do this by clicking the back button located in your browser, or if you're logged in, you can click Control Panel in the yellow menu bar. Now let's click the View Independent Site link. You'll notice that the same changes have taken place at the top of the browser and in the artist header bar. That's it for site title. Thank you, and be sure to check out some of our other videos to learn more about fineartworld.com.